how to lock and unlock keyboard on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will learn how we can lock or unlock keyboard in Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So in your keyboard, all you have to do is press your shift key for at least 10 seconds. So on your physical keyboard, you have to press the shift key on your right hand side just below the enter key. So press your shift key for at least 10 seconds and wait until a message beeps up in your interface. As you can see, with a beep sound, there is a message in your interface that says filter keys, and here is a message that says disable this keyboard shortcut in ease of access keyboard setting. So here, once you click on yes, your keyboard will get locked and you will not able to type any longer. Click on yes. Now if you go in your keyboard, click on your search bar and type something in the search bar, your keyboard will not work anymore since your keyboard is locked. Now, in order to unlock your keyboard, again you have to follow the same steps where you have to press your shift key on your right hand side for at least 10 seconds. Now once you hear the beep sound, your keyboard is now unlocked. Click on the search icon and in the search bar type something. There you go, your keyboard is now unlocked. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.